2012 Coachmen Brookstone Ruby 290 LS for sale in Frostburg, Maryland 21532. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2012 Coachmen Brookstone Ruby 290 LS. This luxurious fifth wheel is 32 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2012 Coachmen Brookstone Ruby 290 LS is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include rear KitchenGreat cooking area complete with a 3-burner stove, oven, microwave refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen sink dishes silverware pots and pans table with 4 chairs electric FireplaceSharpe LED 32-inch television surround sound DVD / CD / stereo full-size sofa SleeperTwo ReclinersLarge bathroom with showerBath TowelsWasher / dryer hookup that has never been used master walk-around queen bed full-size master closet / DresserBed LinersFour good tires with approximately 8,000 miles MilesTwo Air ConditionersTwo 12-volt BatteriesElectric cables and AdaptersWater HosesChocksFour good tires with approximately 8,000 miles receipts for all repair work that has been done since current ownership and much more. This 2012 Coachmen Brookstone Ruby 290 LS is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2012 Coachmen Brookstone Ruby 290 LS can be yours.